And welcome back to Sunday Live Show, and thank you so much guys for tuning in. Well guys, I'm back again with the Mzansi Soapy Stories, and today talking about the gospel artist uNtokozo Ngongoma. Indaba ezibuhlungu bakithi neyiseculathayo la einkundleni zokuxhumana ukuthi ke ushonelwe ke indodana. Yesterday he took it to social media wathi, greeting our family, our heart are torn as we share the sad news with you. Please pray with us this season as we mourn our beloved son Zipho Zenkosi Mpumelelo Ngongoma. So guys, ke abantu abaningi have been posting him bethumela ke imiyalezo yenduduzo kuyena ke kanye ke nomndeni wakhe kushone ke indodana yakhe. Uthe ke kuyi statement asireleasile ubhalile ke washo ukuthi ke it is with profound sadness that the Ngoma family announces the passing of our beloved son, inkosana yethu uZipho Zenkosi Ngongoma, who departed peacefully at midnight following a brief illness. Ushone guys, izolo, it was today it's Thursday, ne? Today is Wednesday. Ushone ngoMonday ebusuku after ke ukugula ke kancane ngokusho ke kwakhe, but ke ushone ke ngalelo langa. But the details of the memorial and the funeral service will be shared once finalized. For media related inquiries, but ke ninga contact uPaul Nzimande 07921379005 or 07921379005. So yeah guys, bakithi indaba ke ezibuhlungu ngempela, especially after ke I think it was on Saturday where uNtokozo Ngongoma ubenza ke live recording yakhe khona ke eThekwini, if I'm not mistaken. So nje indaba ke impela cha ezingekho mnandi ke lezo, when they are still celebrating the success of ke i-album yakhe. On the other side they are mourning ukushona ke kwendodana yakhe. Ngathi ke umoya wandodana kaZipho Zenkosi ke ungaphumula ke ngokuthula. I think uZipho Zenkosi ula ko 15 years, if I'm not mistaken, because I saw one of the posts la poste khona 2023 ethi ke he turned 13. Yeah, I think ula ko 15 weminyaka. Bakithi umoya wakhe ngathi ke ungaphumula ke ngokuthula. Do comment below and share nawe ke amazwi enduduzo ke emndenini wakwaNgongoma. Bye.